Dumela diary. Dumela motswalle. Today I woke up with an idea. There's this thing that I want to do. It's like a series. Every episode with its own story and its own theme. Small local stories, deep stories, memories, harmonies, motivational tales, stories that I myself experienced. Only stories that you will find in the diary. Moments when life feels magic, moments when life feels like a tragic. Times when we feel iconic. Every possible story you can imagine. Dear diary, my friend, motswalle, I am gonna be sharing all these stories to you. I am the watcher, I am the narrator. Ka lebitso ke rena, wa ha hlahlaputi, wa ha tsikane, sekoti se fatuwe ke mang, ke baholo-holo ba kgale.